Hey guys, it's Pete here from Gold Coast Plumbing Experts. I'm just out here today in Currumbin. We're just looking at a septic tank system. So the baffle that leads from the main septic that goes into the grey water which pumps out, it's broken. So we've got the camera down there and located it, so I'll just show you what it looks like. So it pumps from all the sewer from there, pumps the grey water into this one, which then comes across and goes into this tank, and then that pumps out and goes down the back, the grey water. So broken pipe and tree roots gone through just there. So now we'll give them a price to dig up and repair. It's about 1 metre deep with the locator. So if you guys are having any problems with your septic tanks and you want one of the experts to come out and have a look, just give us a call. We're 24/7. Local Gold Coast boys, and we'll take care of you. See you on the next one.
Call Gold Coast Plumbing Experts on 1300 600 632.